The woman said to the man that she had heard that Tim was a bright addition to his staff. The man agreed with her, and he commented that Tim was going to be one to carry the torch for their company when they retired. The woman wanted to meet Tim. The man suggested setting up the lunch. The woman said to the man that Mr. Ringo had been trying to reach him all morning and he was having some problems. The man wanted to know if Mr. Ringo told about the matters. The woman disagreed with him and she commented Mr. Ringo didn't go into the specifics and he wanted the man to call him back. The man agreed with her. He promised to call him right then because he wanted to know what was the matter. The man said to the woman that her new company logo made a statement and he wanted to use her artist. The woman replied to the man that they had used the new college student. She was her daughter's friend, and she had worked in her spare time. The man agreed with her, and he suggested give him her phone number. He would call her. The woman agreed with him. The woman wanted to have the breakfast, including a pot of tea, a muffin, and a glass of the freshly freezed orange juice, and she wanted them delivered to her the next day morning. The man agreed with her, and he wanted to know what time she wanted it delivered. The woman replied to him that she wanted them at 7 o'clock, and she wanted to know if they could have the newspaper with them. The man agreed with her. The man said to the woman that he had got up late that morning and he had almost missed the bus. The woman wanted to know if the man had seen her sister. The man agreed with her and he commented why he had got on the bus. Her sister had been running the sidewalk and she had missed it. The woman understood the reason why her sister was late that morning. The woman said to the man that he looked so pretty stuffish and she suggested having the safe. The man explained to her that he had just come back from a week-long campaign trip and he hadn't shaved for a week. He thought he had grown her beard out. The woman commented his new look was going to take some getting used to. The man agreed with her. The man was surprised at the amount of the mail they had received that day because he hadn't seen as much before. The woman explained to him that the day before was holiday and they had no mail delivery. The man agreed with her and he suggested starting going through it. The woman agreed with him. The woman wanted to know if the man had got home all right because the snow had made the commute pretty messy. The man replied to her that it was not the worst of it because his neighbor was on top of the steep hill and he had to park down below and walk to his house. The woman was surprised by that and she wanted to confirm that he had to walk back his car and drive into the work. The man agreed with her and he commented it was so terrible. The man was thinking about getting a cable TV and he wanted to know the woman's opinion. The woman was excited and she commented that the kid would love the cartoon, the man would like the news and sport, and there are too many special programs. The man agreed with her and he commented that he was thinking about the movies because they could save the petrol on video rental. The woman agreed with him. The woman suggested using the encouraging voice instead of the rebuking or angry voice with his dogs. The man got it, and he wanted to know if he could use the trick to recall appropriate response. The woman disagreed with him because his philosophy was not true. She suggested she encouraged the owner to yield a larger price instead. The man thought her philosophy was much better.